You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more names that are confusing like this, stay tuned. Famous for being the first name of a famous book character. Phileas is English pronunciation. In French, originally, Phileas. Phileas is how it's pronounced in French, so therefore quite similar. Phileas in English. Some may say Phileas, that's fine too. Generally, the English pronunciation, Phileas. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.